What's going on, my good people? It's your BigHomie LNRD back again with another vid, man. Before we start the video, go ahead and smash that like button for your boy and subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker related. Now today, we got an early review of the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue. Now before we dive deep into the video, man, I want to give a special shout out to that boy Just for Kicks. I'm gonna leave his description up top and his Instagram on the side, man. If you want any releases early, go ahead, follow that boy on IG, man. He gonna have them, I promise you, and everything is legit. I don't mess with nobody fake. I don't kick it with nobody fake. Now damn, so don't buy nothing fake. But you already know how I'm coming. I don't like to take too much of y'all time, so let's go ahead and dive into this sneaker. First thing first, we finna talk about the quality. Now the quality is your standard Jordan 3 leather. If you have the Jordan 3 in hand, you already know what I'm talking about. If you don't, it's just a nice, solid, firm leather. Ain't nothing to go crazy about and ain't nothing to complain about. Starting off, majority of your shoe coming in this all white leather. Sitting on the midsole, you got that low dot, crip dot blue. Headed to the bottom of the shoe, we got a majority gray outsole with a hint of Racer Blue at the top, and the Jordan logo and that Racer Blue as well. Headed to the top portion of the shoe, man, you got a gray and white tone with a Jumpman logo and that Racer Blue. Headed to the back of the heel, man, you got that Jumpman and that Racer Blue. I'm so glad they didn't put the Nike branding on the back of the heel, because I feel that the Nike branding should only be on the OG pairs. You should not be coming out with no weird ass colorway, throwing a Nike Air logo on the back just to hype up sale. That is so lame to me. While we on the back, man, going up to that ankle collar, man, you got that Racer Blue going around with your little perforations in it. Unfortunately, this sneaker did not come with an extra set of laces, which I really don't mind, because, you know, I'm not a fan of the lace swapping. I mean, like I said before in previous videos, if that what you do you. It's just not me. I think I'm too old for that, but hey, whatever rocks y'all boat. The Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue is set to release July the 10th for a retail price of $190. This shoe will be on all your foot sites, majority of all the boutiques, and it will be releasing on the sneaker app. But good luck with that, because you know the sneaker app is full of shit. We already know that, but if you get a W, man, salutes to you. But yeah, man, that wraps up my video for today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button once again for your boy. And go ahead and follow me at BigHomie LNRD on Instagram. And until next time, man, I'm out of here.